Today, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the background of a video using CapCut. This works on both phone and laptop, so no matter which one you're using, you'll still be able to follow along. Let's get started with the mobile version. First, open CapCut and load the video you want to edit into your timeline by clicking on New Project. In this case, I have a clip of myself where I want to remove the background. Tap on the clip to select it, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a menu with a number of editing tools. Swipe to the right until you find the option labelled Remove BG, which stands for background. Go ahead and tap it. From here, you'll see different removal options. We're going to choose the one labelled Auto Remove. Heads up, this is a pro feature, which means you will need a subscription to use it. However, CapCut offer a free trial, which allows you to take advantage of every tool that they have for a short period of time. Fantastic! Once selected, CapCut will automatically process your video and remove the background. And look at that! The background's gone. Now if we click on the check mark on the right, this will bring us back to where we were. Then click on the double backward arrows to bring up the full selection of tools again, just like this. Now it's time to add something new behind the video. Tap the plus icon here to add a new background. You can choose between a video, a photo, or even a live photo. I'm going with this white brick background, which I think looks cool. Once selected, tap Add in the bottom right corner. As you can see, your background is now added, but you'll notice your main video is still covering the entire frame. To fix this, tap on the main clip again, and then swipe through the tools until you find Overlay. Selecting this moves your clip to a new layer, and appears over or on top of whichever other clip is on your timeline, in this case, sitting on top of our background. If your video doesn't seem to line up with your background, then all you need to do is press and hold on your main video, and simply drag and drop where you'd like to position it in the frame. Now when you play it back from the start, you'll see your video overlaid on the new background. Amazing! If the background you imported doesn't seem to be filling the frame properly, for instance, you're maybe getting empty black spaces at the top, you can easily fix this too. Simply tap on your background layer and you'll notice a blue outline appears around that selection. To get rid of this black space at the top, you just need to expand your background image by using a pinch and zoom motion with your fingers to adjust it like so. And now it fills the whole frame. Perfect. If your background isn't long enough to cover your whole video, again just click on the background layer and then click and drag the handle at the end of the background clip to extend its duration to match your main video. And there you have it. Your video now has a new background. Simple, right? Now let's move on to the desktop version. Once you've imported your video, click and drag it onto the timeline below like this. Now click on your video clip in the timeline. Over on the top right hand side under the video tab, find the remove background option. Just like on mobile, click auto remove to instantly remove the background. And there you go, it's gone. Now let's add a new background. Drag your video clip to the next layer up on the timeline like this. Then come up to your media library here and click on import. Find the image or video you want as your background and then drag it onto your timeline below your main video. Wonderful. If you're wondering about how the different layers work, whatever layer is on top will always appear above or in front of everything else if you like. In this case, your main video is the top layer appearing in front, and your background image or video is showing behind this as it's on the layer underneath it. If your background hasn't filled the entire frame, you can easily adjust it. Click on the background clip and drag the corner handles to resize it until it fits perfectly. Then we'll make sure the background's duration matches the length of your main video. All you need to do is drag the edges of the background clip to extend it as needed. Once you've made these adjustments, hit play to preview your video. You'll see your main video overlaid on the new background, just like magic. Here's a bonus tip for you. Want to get creative? You can easily add text, graphics, and other elements behind your video too. For example, come up to the top toolbar here and click on the text section. Click and drag this underneath your main video but above your background layer so it looks like this. As you can see, the text now appears behind my main video, which gives a nice effect. You can then change things like what the text says by typing in the text box here. And you can also do a number of other things, like changing the font of the text, the size, and even the color for example, plus many more. And that's how you remove and replace a video background using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.